Now that we're modifying our 50th anniversary Mustang, the first thing we want to do is an exhaust system. We figure most of our customers, that's where they start, and it's a perfect place for us to start as well. Now with this car, we're not looking for anything over the top. We want to keep the modifications very clean and very tasteful, and we think the AWE Touring is going to be a perfect exhaust system. This is AWE's Touring exhaust system fitting your 2015 through 2017 Mustang GT. Now this is made of 304 mandrel bent 3-inch stainless steel, and it starts off with an H-pipe through a set of bullet resonators into their 180 technology mufflers. These mufflers are designed for maximum flow, but this patented technology completely gets rid of drone. At the end, your choice of 4-inch double wall tips. You have the black diamond tip or the polished. Okay, to begin the installation, get the car up off the ground. We're start by removing these bolts up here. Now, the nicest thing about working on a brand new car, no rust, nothing like that. We don't need any sledgehammers, just normal tools. And we're just gonna pop these little tabs up. That way these will slide off. Now moving towards the back, remove these two bolts so we can remove the hangers. Got a little hook to the top, so sort of push up and turn them down. Okay, now we're ready to remove the exhaust. You can do this all in one piece as long as you have help. What we're gonna do is slide the cat back to get it off the front pipes, and then forward to get it off the rear hangers. Okay, to begin the installation, put the clamps back in place. And grab your H-pipe. We're just gonna snug it up for now, make final adjustments when we're done. Okay, with the H-pipe installed, grab the intermediate, we'll put a clamp on the front here. Factory hanger. Connect to the H-pipe. Again, just snug the clamp down. Here we install the factory hanger bolt. You're going to grab a clamp, make sure you orientate it so you can get to it, and we're ready to install our mufflers. Usually easier to put it in the hanger first and then line it up. Okay, that's up. And snug down the clamp. All right, grab our tip, put a clamp on it, put it up in place. Kind of get it where you like it. And tighten it down. All right, repeat the process on the other side. Go through, make all your final adjustments, and your installation's finished. I've always been a fan of the AWE Touring. Let's hear how it sounds on the 2015 Mustang. The AWE Touring Edition is exactly what I was looking for this 50th anniversary car. Like I said, we wanted something that sounded good if you got on it, but something you'd also cruise and be kind of nice and quiet, not even, you know, kind of keep it out of the picture. This is the perfect system. I mean, when you're cruising at normal speeds, not really on it, really isn't much louder than the stock exhaust. I mean, you can tell it's there, you get a little more volume, but get on it and it gets a lot more noticeable, which is perfect for what we want with this car. Like I said, these have that 180 technology they have patented, that it's going to completely eliminate any drone on the highway. It usually almost makes them, it gets rid of the sound and everything when you're just cruising, which is perfect, but we'll get on the highway and see how it works out. Sounds good through the gears, and you get highway speeds, and that's $2,000, it's gone. Like, you can't hear any exhaust whatsoever. It literally barely sounds like the car's running. But, you know, drop it down a couple gears, sounds really good. But again, yeah, highway speeds, can't even hear it. I'm trying to kind of give it a little bit of throttle so you hear it a little bit, and it just is gone. So looking for something that sounds great under load, but completely disappears for highway cruising, the Touring Edition's a really solid choice. And the tone is really nice too, so if you are considering a long tube catless setup, something to be a lot more loud, a lot more volume overall, this would be an excellent choice for that too. I haven't heard this system yet with that, but I'm sure it would sound really good, because the systems that kind of have that sound, but only when you really get on it, just get amplified when you go to like a catless setup. This would probably sound perfect. But it's exactly what we were looking for, where it's loud enough that you know it's not stock, but it's not too loud that it's annoying to drive. The AWE Touring Edition was exactly what we were looking for our 50th anniversary package Mustang. When you get on it, it sounds great, it has a nice aggressive tone to it. Get it on the highway though, and thanks to 180 technology, the sound just disappears. Installation pretty straightforward, figure about an hour and a half to 2 hours. We'll be back on the road in no time.